Artificial intelligence systems are only as reliable as the data used to train them. If the data is flawed, incomplete, or biased, the AI system will reflect those same problems. This is why data governance is one of the most critical pillars of responsible AI. In this episode, we explore why data governance matters, what it involves, and how organizations manage data to build trustworthy AI systems. What is data governance? Data governance refers to the policies, processes, and standards used to manage data throughout its life cycle. This includes how data is collected, how it is stored, how it is used, and who is accountable for it. In the context of artificial intelligence, data governance ensures that training data is accurate, reliable, and ethically sourced. Without governance, AI systems operate on uncontrolled and potentially harmful data. Why data governance matters in AI? AI models learn patterns from historical data. If the data contains errors, gaps, or historical bias, the system may produce unfair or unreliable outcomes. For example, a hiring algorithm trained on biased historical hiring records may unfairly disadvantage certain candidates. A healthcare model trained on incomplete medical data may produce inaccurate risk predictions. In both cases, the problem is not the algorithm itself. The problem is the data behind the algorithm. This is why responsible AI always begins with responsible data management. Key components of AI data governance. Effective data governance usually includes several core elements. First, data quality management. Organizations must ensure that data is accurate, complete, and regularly updated. Second, data documentation. Every dataset used for training AI systems should be clearly documented, including its source, limitations, and potential risks. Third, data access control. Sensitive data must be protected through proper authorization and security protocols. And finally, data accountability. Organizations must clearly define who is responsible for maintaining and monitoring data used in AI systems. These practices create transparency and reduce the risk of hidden problems. Data transparency and traceability. Another key aspect of data governance is traceability. Organizations must be able to answer important questions such as, where did the data come from? How was it collected? Was consent obtained? Has the data been modified or cleaned? This transparency allows organizations to audit AI systems and detect potential problems early. Without traceability, it becomes extremely difficult to investigate or correct AI failures. Data governance in responsible AI programs. Mature organizations treat data governance as a core governance function, not just a technical task. They implement data governance committees, data quality monitoring systems, ethical data sourcing guidelines, regular dataset audits. These mechanisms help ensure that AI systems operate on reliable and ethically managed information. The strategic importance of data governance. Strong data governance provides several long-term advantages. It improves AI reliability. It reduces regulatory risk. It strengthens public trust in AI systems. And it enables organizations to scale AI solutions more confidently. In other words, good data governance is not just compliance. It is a strategic capability. Closing. Artificial intelligence does not operate in isolation. It depends entirely on the data that feeds it. If organizations want trustworthy AI systems, they must first build trustworthy data practices. Because in the world of artificial intelligence, one principle remains constant: better data leads to better decisions. In the next episode, we will explore AI transparency and explainability, and why organizations must be able to understand and justify the decisions made by AI systems.